Alright guys, so in this video what I'm gonna do is I have a program that is actually to write a C# program to read that the value of an integer m and display the value of n is 1 when m is larger than 0, 0 when m is 0, and -1 when m is less than 0. Hold on a second, hold your horses, I'm gonna explain you in a while. First of all, this code is I've taken from this website right here, W3 resource, and I'm gonna try to explain this program to you. Okay, so first of all, what is the question of the program is okay, so this is our question: write a C# program to read the value of an integer m and display the value of n, another variable, is 1 when this is actually is okay, so when m is larger than 0, and 0 when m is 0, and -1 when m is less than when m is less than 0. Okay, so I'll read it again. Write a C# program to read the value of an integer m and display the value of n is 1 when m is larger than 0, 0 when m is 0, and -1 when m is less than 0. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, okay, so what they've done over here is two variables are declared over here, and display the value of n is 1, 0, or -1 for the value of m. Okay, don't confuse with this, and this is just for changing the line. And then what they've done is input the value of m, wherever your m is converted into n, that string is going to be converted into m, and if m is not 0 or if m is greater than 0, then n would be 1. Okay, else n is -1, and there's another else, that is, and then else is the n is 0. So console.write the value of m is this, whatever you have entered the value of m, and console.write the value of n is this. So it's not a useful program, it's just a logical program that you're trying to understand right here is. So let's just test this program. Okay, display the value of n is 1, 0, or -1 for the value of m. Okay, and I'm gonna type 3. So the value of m is 3 and the value of n is 1. Why the value of n is 1? The value of n is 1 because m was greater than 0, so the value of n is 1. It's so simple program. Okay, and you can check the other two else's yourself. So I'll just move on to the next task.